now we are mixing it. Okay, now we're doing 3 eggs. Where did the other egg go? Oh, here it is. Okay, 3 eggs. Okay. Okay, so for the next step, it says 1 1/2 cup of sour cream, but we're just going to be using Greek yogurt. 1 1/2 cup yogurt. Okay, so now we're going to be adding 4 1/2 cups of flour. How much more?
Maybe no. Just to read it.
Wait, it looks like a lot. Okay, so we do 2 teaspoons of baking soda and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
We want to say hi.
Okay, now we add our bananas. Okay. Okay, now we're just eyeballing the salt. That should be enough. Okay, now we're spraying it down. Nope, it's not enough. Maybe it is.
There,